Hey, I'm Teryn and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you my updated morning skincare routine. I will put links to everything in the description along with substitutes. First, I carefully remove the pimple patch that I placed on my face the night before. Then I gently wipe the pus away with the corner of my extra large towel from Clean Skin Club. My next step is to wash my face with a Replenix 5% benzoyl peroxide face wash. I purchased this one from the derm store. This is new to my routine, but I purchased this product a while ago. I went to the dermatologist. They recommended I add BP back into my routine to help with breakouts. I rinse my face and pat my face dry with a different corner of the towel. I then wait for a minute or so before continuing with the routine. This next step is also new. I'm using Clindamycin to help out with my acne breakouts that are caused by bacteria. I apply a thin layer on my face and down my neck. Now I'm going to wash my hands and let this settle in before I do my last and final step. My final step in my morning routine is to always apply a generous amount of sunscreen to my face, neck, and chest. I also apply sunscreen to my body as well. I use several different sunscreens that I will be doing a video on in the future, but in this video I'm using the Black Girl Sunscreen in SPF 50, and this is the one that's actually for kids. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments how your skin is doing. And as always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.